Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you you could start building real passive income with just 1 hour a day? Not eight, not burnout, not posting all day hoping for something to go viral. Just one focused hour building a system that works for you even when you're offline. If that sounds like the type of freedom you're looking for, then this video might be your turning point. Hey Glow Squad, it's Jordan E. And if you're new here, I'm all about helping you build income, freedom, and systems that actually fit your life. Because for me, this didn't start as a side hustle, it started out of necessity. When my son was diagnosed, everything changed. My schedule wasn't flexible anymore, my time wasn't mine anymore. And I realized really quickly that I couldn't depend on income that required me to always be working. I needed something that could work even when I couldn't show up. That's when I started learning about systems, funnels, and email automation. And over time, I built something that allowed me to earn without being on 24/7. So when I tell you that this is possible with an hour a day, I'm not speaking theory, I'm speaking from my real life. Today, I'm going to break down my exact 1 hour freedom framework, the same structure I use to build income step by step using automation. And the best part, you don't need a huge audience, fancy tech skills, or an unlimited time. You just need consistency and a system. Your first 15 minutes, you're going to create or repurpose content. So let me simplify it. You're not trying to go viral. But what you are trying to do is help one person solve one problem and share one insight. And that's it. So this could be a short video. You can make a post or even send out an email. Even repurposing something that you already made, you can do that as well. Because most people get this wrong. They're trying to be perfect and that keeps them from being consistent. So, helpful content is going to build trust, and then trust builds income. Your next 15 minutes, you're going to share and invite. So, take the content and post it on 1 to 2 platforms. You don't have to post it everywhere, don't overcomplicate it, but always include a call to action because content without direction is equals to wasted attention. Now, your next 15 minutes is about connection and automation. And this is where most people skip, but this is where the money is. So make sure you're replying to comments, to DMs, and emails because people aren't buying from the content, they're buying from the connection. Then you're going to check your system. Are your emails sending? Are your leads being captured? Are your automations working? This is where your business starts to run in the background. So while you're living your life, doing your thing, your business is still working for you. I just want to give a huge shout out to my channel members. Thank you. And if you want to join and have your name added to the list, then you can go ahead and click the join button below. And your final 15 minutes, this is where you learn and optimize. This is your growth time. Inside your system, you're going to improve headlines. You can add new emails, test workflows. So nothing crazy, just small upgrades because small improvements daily turn into massive results over time. Let me pause here and just say this. You do not need to hustle harder. You do need to build smarter. Every funnel you build, every email you write, every automation you set up becomes a digital worker in your business. So they don't sleep, they don't burn out, they don't need motivation. That's how you stop trading time for money. Now let's talk about money because I know that's what you really want to understand. Let's say you're using a platform like System.io. They offer around a 60% commission. So if 10 people sign up for an annual plan at $170, that's about $1,000 a month from one system. Now imagine multiple funnels, multiple offers, and more traffic. That's how you scale. It's not about working more, it's about building once and letting it work repeatedly. Now, picture this. It's 2026. You wake up, check your phone, and you see new subscribers, new emails sent, new commissions, all from something you built months ago. You didn't post that day, you didn't work that morning, but your system did. That's not luck, that's leverage. So let me ask you something. If it only takes 1 hour a day, what's really stopping you? Because it's not time, it's usually overthinking, fear, or trying to do too much at once. But now you have a simple plan. If you're ready to start building your system, I made it simple for you. Click the link down below, join my email list, and I'll walk you through this step by step. No guesswork, no overwhelm, just a system that you can follow. Glow Squad, freedom doesn't come from working more. It comes from building something that works for you. I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed and have a great day, guys.